Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. This is the backing of a gigantic mirror that used to attach to a dresser. I wanted to use the mirror in a different place, and this was so big and heavy that I just removed it. Here's the mirror. I put it above my fireplace, but I am left with this backing, and I've decided to make a reusable sign out of it. At this point, I know that I want to make it a sign. I'm not exactly sure what kind of sign or even where it's going to go. I know it's going to be all the different colors. I gathered all of Debi's design diary paints together. I know it's going to be that. I know it's going to be white. And I know it's going to be a chalkboard. I have all the colors applied randomly in any place I just wanted to throw paint at. It is time to paint the whole thing white. I believe it's Cashmere by Debi's Design Diary. I then begin by sanding it lightly a little bit here and there, and I was really liking how it was coming out, so I started just to sand it more and more. I sanded until I came up with this really cool, distressed, vintage-looking finish. I applied a thin coat of clear to seal this all in before going on to the chalkboard portion. Now for the chalkboard portion, I chose Bohemian Blue. By the way, Debi's paint makes perfect, great chalkboards. Don't forget that. In any color. After the chalkboard portion dries, you have to season it. And it's very simple. You just take a piece of chalk and rub it all over the entire thing you want chalkboard painting. You get what I mean. We know it's a chalkboard right now, and I went a little crazy with that and wrote different messages on it and had a whole lot of fun with that. I took it outside to get a few pictures, and my little dog started to walk all over it, which gave me an idea. Why couldn't I take these pictures, put them on my computer, and open them up in PicMonkey and do all kinds of different things with it? And so I did. Now I have a chalkboard and a backdrop for any of my signs on this channel. Did this give you any inspiration to try your own reusable chalkboard? Let me know in the comments what you thought of this idea. And if you do it, please tag me over on Instagram under Junk Shack Baby. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week. Same time, same place. Junk Shack Baby.